where the main electricals of the house is housed. If you see that we have the MDB here, and all the trippers which are neatly labeled area-wise, room-wise and appliance-wise. The same is shown here in a map. Now this is done, all of this is done from a very big safety point of view and an ease of maintenance point of view. The other most interesting part here is you see all the drivers that we've housed in here and so neatly labeled again: kitchen skirting, master bedroom wardrobe. These drivers are for the linear lightings that we use, in wardrobes, inside wardrobes, in the cove lightings, for indirect lighting, etc. What we often find is that when these lights don't work, it is usually the drivers which need to be maintained or repaired. Also, the second point is that usually they don't find the right place for these drivers in those corners and they tuck them away, which are very difficult to find at a later point. And sometimes they put them in switchboards which cause a heating issue. Now to avoid all of that, we put them in the MDB. It is much safer that way. They're easy to locate. They're so easy to maintain. The guy can come here straight away, maintain, and that way we do not need not invade into the privacy of the wardrobes of the clients unless absolutely necessary. Calcutta marble has concealed wheels underneath, so while as solid as it looks, it's equally easy to move it. And the MDB unit continues here with the routers and etc. neatly tucked in, and louvers always for airflow and ventilation.